Hello, good morning. Today's lesson is choosing a concealer shade. This is from a new local brand called La Reverie. I like them. Hindi ko na ibebenta. More than that, bahala na kayo kung maniniwala kayo sa akin. First and foremost, one of the most difficult things talaga to do is to buy a concealer because if you've noticed, whenever a brand, both local and international, whenever they release foundation shades, usually may mga katapat siyang concealer shade pero konti lang yung concealer shade. So, mas mahirap, mas nakaka-frustrate maghanap. So, the first thing that you need to do is to determine kung para saan nyo gagamitin si concealer. Halimbawa, kung kailangan ninyo ng full coverage concealer para yun sa mga blemishes ninyo, then go ahead. If you need something for liquid highlighting, then you can go for something lighter in formula or something that's more hydrating. With all factors considered, of course, like your skin type, budget, etc. So, yung face natin, guys, uneven yung skin tone niyan. Usually, darker sa perimeters, lighter sa center, minsan red din, like mine. So, ang una nyong gawin is i-determine nyo kung saang part nyo siya ng face gagamitin. So, halimbawa, for my under eye, I would choose this one to test. This is in the shade Hazelnut Medium. Now, concealers versus foundations, in terms of formula, concealers are drier in formula, which is also why they are more pigmented. And that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing because concealers are meant to be drier. Kasi nga, you put them in one area on your face, like when you're spot concealing, so dapat hindi talaga sila nagbabudge or move. Halimbawa, tatakpan mo to, gusto mo ng something drier kasi if you use something that's too hydrated, baka mag-slide off lang siya. So that's not a bad thing. However, because of that, kapag naglagay kayo ng concealer, so dito nyo siya isa-swatch kasi you're buying for your under eye. So dapat dito kayo magsa-swatch. Kapag nilagay nyo siya, of course, it will appear like it's not your shade. Kasi nga, it's too thick and pigmented. So the key to swatching a concealer is to blend it out. You can use a brush, you can use a sponge. I suggest you use your cosmetic finger or your ring finger and then you just dab with a little pressure so that it becomes part of your skin. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna keep on dabbing and magbe-blend na yan. Ideally, it will blend na with your skin. If you are in department store lighting, you wanna probably step out and take a photo in natural light and then you move out a little bit. Move away pala. Ganyan. There. So, as you can see, pwede na siya. Sa under eye ko, kakulay niya na yan. Pwede ka na rin, kung hindi niya natakpan, because it's really dark, then you will need a color corrector. Manage your expectations kasi hindi naman trabaho ng concealer ang mag-neutralize. Ang trabaho niya ay mag-conceal. So, halimbawa, yan yung para sa under eye mo, no? For liquid highlighting, you're going to choose a lighter shade kasi nga highlighting siya. So, this is my concealer shade. Ito yung two lighter shades which are Latte, Natural, and Custard Light. Now, when you're liquid highlighting, you're talking about dimension. You're bringing forward some areas of your face. So, it will depend on what type of look you're doing. So, if you are going to highlight for daytime, you need something that's siguro 1 or 2 shades lighter lang. Pero if you're going to highlight for glam makeup, as in you're going to help it contrast your contour for glam makeup, then you're gonna need something that's way lighter. Which is why you always see me or us in the studio use the SEM Fix Healer in 01 kasi sobrang light talaga nito and it will create contrast talaga. Talagang mababrighten niya yung under eyes ninyo. Be careful lang kasi nga concealers are heavier in formula. So let me blend. Ayan, so this is what I would go for to conceal and then this is what I would use to highlight. Anyway, yes, you saw the two deeper shades which you can use as bronzer. Pwede din ito. But be careful, there are products that are meant for bronzer, contour, or bronzer as a wet or underpainting product. I would suggest you go for those kahit maganda yung formula nito kasi these are concealers and baka hindi sila magmukhang natural lalo na kung beginner kayo. But of course, you can still do it, no? I-control nyo lang yung product and piliin nyo lang ng maigi yung blending tool ninyo. Ayan, if you have more follow-up questions, just follow me. I'm Abby. I own a makeup school, a beauty brand. I'm a certified color analyst and I'm also a brand consultant. So, follow me para marami tayong tutorials pa in the future. Ang gulo ni self. Hindi ako sanay talaga.